So today I'm with Lily. You want to say hi, Lily?
Hello.
We are going to draw a
Capybara.
Okay, great. So first what we're going to do is we're going to draw the head shape. So just like a simple oval shape, okay? So let me start it. I will do it like this. Ready? So we'll start here and then around. Okay? Just like that. Nice. Next, I'm going to draw the ears, okay? Like that. Ooh, you like that? And then another one like that. Okay. Nice, Lily. And then we're going to draw a nice big eye, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready? And then the pupil. Little highlights. And how's school going, Lil?
Good.
Yeah? You having fun?
Yeah.
I'm going to draw some eyelashes on this. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job, Lil.
Thank you.
Okay, next, we're going to draw the nose shape, okay?
Yeah.
So it's like a little triangle like that. And down. Then we draw the mouth, okay? Like that. Good job. Next, we're going to draw the body, okay? So it's going to come down and wrap around, okay? But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw it like this and around, okay? I'm going to stop it there. Great. And then I'm going to draw the tail. Okay?
Poofy tail.
I gave it a poofy one. You don't have to. But it's up to you, okay?
I'll give it a poofy one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay. So next I'm going to draw the back of the leg here, okay? So I'm going to give it a little curve like that, and then the feet. Okay, like that. It's good. It's okay. Good job. And then I'm going to draw the front leg, okay, and paw. And then up. Nice. Then this line, I'm going to do an imaginary line. It will connect like that. From the body up to the head, right? Good job. And then the other legs. And that's done. And then next I'm going to draw is a little tooth. Great. And then I think we're going to add the detail on the ear like this, like that, and like that. And maybe an eyebrow. Okay.
What about the circle thing?
I might add the circle thing when we color it, because otherwise it's going to leave like a nice, a big black outline, and I don't think I want that right now.
Oh.
So I might add that later. So we can start by, let's see, I might start by the muzzle here, right? Let's see. Just gotta find the right color, like a light brown.
One.
Did you find a good one? Let's see how it looks. So that's gonna be the lighter area, like around here, or the.
Oh, this one's light.
Which one's gonna be the main body color? So find the main body color and then the lighter color.
The main body color is going to be this one.
It's gonna be which one?
This one. It's like that.
Okay, mine's gonna be like that. So let's just go. Let's just start coloring it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now what I'm going to do for the muzzle is, so you want to make here look low. So you want to make like a light line like that, just to kind of tell us where that line's going to go.
But not too dark.
Not too dark. It's okay. That's good though. Yeah.
This is good too.
So do you like capybaras?
This is one of my first time drawing a capybara.
Oh, it's your first time?
Yeah.
So it's good. So you're learning, right?
Yeah.
So this inside, further away arm here, I'm going to darken that a bit more. It's further away. I'm going to darken over here too. The tail. And around this cheek.
I'm not done the body.
No worries. Take your time, buddy. It's good. So what are your favorite things to draw? Do we know?
Nails,
Snails?
food, and stuff.
Oh, I think I asked you that already. So food and stuff, right? Still stuff.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
The good kind of stuff.
Okay. And tell me about school.
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
Yeah. I just hope I don't get reorged.
Oh, like to a different class?
Yeah.
That's okay. When do you find out?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe next week.
Like, did they may switch classes next week?
Yeah.
That's okay. So making the paws a little darker over here, like the hands and stuff and the feet.
I think I used my darkest color.
You could probably just put more pressure on your brown. That may do the trick.
I think I used the wrong brown.
The wrong brown?
Yeah.
You can go here. I can use. You want to use mine?
No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah, mine
Okay.
are gonna have socks. Nice socks.
Nice though. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay. Now I'm gonna add. Because last time I did green eyes, maybe I might do brown as well.
Oh, like.
Just around the side here, like that.
I'm gonna make my. Oh wait, are we allowed to use markers?
Of course you can. There's no rules here.
I'm gonna make my orange.
Add like little details of like little dots to make it kind of fuzzy
Cute.
and cute, right?
Cute.
So you're making any new friends at school?
Yeah.
Yeah? New friends?
Yeah. Oh.
That's
Yeah.
great. Okay. I'm gonna add some of the ground now, okay?
Sure.
Maybe some green. What do you think? Some grass? Yeah.
Unless he could have wings.
You can if you want.
Should I make mine have wings?
If you want to. It's up to you. There's no rules.
It's going to have wings.
Nice. That's great, Lil. I love it. It's a great idea.
And the clouds. It's an angel.
All right. I think I might be close to done on mine.
Same.
Okay. I think I'm gonna sign mine
too.
Okay, let's see. Capybara. So this is great. So sign it here. And Adam is the best. No?
Yeah.
All right. That's good. I think it turned out great. Lily, I love how you added the wings to it.
Thank you.
Super cute. Great. I love it. Let's put it together.
Yeah.
It's amazing. All right. High five. That's awesome. Good job.
Thank you.